I recently sat down and asked myself a simple question. If I keep living exactly the way I am today, where will I be in next 5 years? And honestly, it made me realize something that we spend years collecting degrees, but a very little time investing into the skills that will actually help us build a fulfilling life. I'm 25 and I've made a list of 10 things that I'm learning before turning 30. So if you're in your 20s or honestly at any age, let's sit down and discuss these 10 skills because these are worth investing your time in. And before we dig in, if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The first skill has to be communication. I genuinely believe that opportunities don't always go to the smartest person in the room. Rather, they go to the person who can actually communicate their ideas and their thoughts clearly. So whether you are speaking for a raise, going for an interview, making friends, creating content online, communication affects almost every area of life. And here's how I am learning it. Reading books on communication, I think this is the easiest way to learn how to communicate effectively. Number two, watching good speakers and observing how they tell their stories, how they communicate their ideas. Number three is recording myself while speaking. So it is not about posting. I randomly open my camera and I start talking about a topic, and it actually helps build that confidence. So once you're able to communicate effectively, there's another skill that naturally becomes very important, and that is public speaking. This is something I genuinely want to improve because confidence changes everything. Being able to stand in front of people and able to communicate or express your thoughts clearly is a superpower. It actually helps in presentations, meetings, networking, or even in content creation. And here's how I'm learning it. Number one is speaking to the camera again regularly. Like you just open the camera, pick up a topic and start speaking. It doesn't really mean that you need to post it. Secondly, practicing without memorizing every single word and accepting that it is okay to make mistakes sometimes. But always remember, confidence never comes first. Action comes first and then confidence follows. Now the next thing is that I really wish we were taught in school, and that is financial literacy, because nobody actually taught us how money works. Like how to budget, how to save, how to invest, how taxes work, and how to build wealth instead of just earning a salary. And honestly, I don't want to work hard my entire life without actually understanding how to manage my money. So here are some ways how I'm learning it. Number one is reading personal finance books. Sometimes it gets too boring, but the moment you start understanding little things, it gets easier. Secondly, watching finance creators, and this is the easiest way that I'm learning how to manage money, how to invest, where to save. And honestly, this is very, very important if you're earning money. And always remember, financial freedoms comes with financial education. And while we are talking about money, there's one more skill that is very important and has completely changed the way I think. That skill is selling, and that doesn't mean that it will only apply if you're into sales. Because think about it, all the time we are selling something or the other. You go on Instagram, everybody is selling. People are selling their skills, their ideas, their experiences. Also, we are selling ourselves in an interview. So the better you become at explaining your values, the better opportunities come your way. Here's how I am learning it. Observing creators and entrepreneurs, how they are selling even in a normal conversation. Secondly, understanding people's problem before offering a solution. And thirdly, practicing negotiations in everyday situations in life. The next skill is content creation and personal branding, and honestly, this has changed my life. If you want to become a freelancer, entrepreneur, an influencer, or even get a job, having a personal brand gives you that leverage. Because nowadays, people trust people they know. And honestly, creating content teaches you everything. Editing, storytelling, marketing, communication, it is all in one. And here's how I am improving it. Posting content online every single day. Secondly, not waiting for any perfection. I post whatever I have created. Thirdly, learning editing and storytelling and looking at analytics to understand what people are actually watching. So the next skill is fitness and nutrition, and honestly this is very, very important, and I think everybody should know about it. It's just not about looking good, it's about feeling strong, it's about being able to work, and it's all about taking care of your future self. Because imagine you have to live in your body your entire lifetime, and if you don't have the energy, if you don't know what to put inside, you don't know how to work out, or you're not exercising, what is the point of learning any other skill in life? And here's how I am improving it every single day. Number one, going to the gym consistently and taking care of my food and my nutrition. Number two is getting regular sleep and having enough water. Trust me, this is more important than it sounds. Thirdly, building habits instead of just wanting quick results. I did this mistake earlier, but now it has become a lifestyle and I really don't care about the results anymore. So taking care of your body is important, but taking care of your mind is also very, very important. And emotional intelligence is the most underrated skills ever. Knowing how to regulate your emotions, handle criticisms, setting boundaries, and communicating respectfully can change your relationships. And the more you are aware of your feelings, your emotions, the more you get better at understanding people. And here's how I am learning it. Number one is journaling, and it has become the most important part of my life. Earlier, I used to not understand journaling, but the more I learn about my emotions and things, I've started journaling, and it has helped me clear my emotions, and it has helped me clear my mind so much. Secondly, reading self-help books, and I love reading self-help books. This is the easiest way to understand yourself, understand your emotions, regulate them. Lastly, becoming more self-aware instead of just blaming people. This I used to do this all the time, but the moment I've started taking responsibility of my emotions, the game has changed. Next up is AI and technology. Honestly, this scares me a little because I am not a techie person, but technology is changing so fast nowadays, and learning AI has become a necessity. And I don't think so AI is here to replace us, it is here to make us faster and more productive. And here's how I am learning it. Number one is using AI every single day. I use AI literally for everything, especially for my career. It has greatly helped me and optimized my time very effectively. Secondly, watching tutorials and courses where I learn how to use AI. Thirdly, staying curious about new technology. Even if I don't want to use it, at least I try to be aware whatever is going on. The next is self-care and skincare. This is very important for me, and it is just not about using products on your face and looking good. It is about feeling good, feeling confident. And I genuinely enjoy doing my skincare or self-care because it actually makes me fall in love with myself more, and I think that is very important. Here's how I'm working on it. Following a basic skincare routine every single day. Secondly, managing my stress. And thirdly, being consistent and not just following any other product that is trending. And finally, I think all of these skills depends on just one thing, which is discipline, because motivation can fade away. You may not be able to stay motivated all day long, but when you do things consistently and become really disciplined at it, and discipline always comes with rewards. Honestly, your future should not build on motivation. And here's how I'm improving it. Number one, planning my day a night before, and this has made my life very easy. Setting priorities instead of making long to-do list. Thirdly, limiting distractions, and this is very, very important. I'm a little bit struggling with it. I put my phone on grayscale mode all the day so that I don't watch Instagram, or I don't get into any social media until my work is done. So yeah, these are the skills that I am learning, and I think this will help me to become a woman I want to be. And instead of just waiting until I have everything figured out, I thought of documenting this journey and share it with you guys. So if you're also trying to grow, let's grow together. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe it, because this is just the beginning of the journey.